So, Steve,
Hello,
anything
Jerry.
interesting happening tonight?
Oh, just a wonderful fire alarm going off at the hotel.
It's his fault.
It's Jerry's alarm clock.
Yeah, it's my alarm clock. That's what it is.
Explain that one, Jerry.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, this stuff always happens to us.
It's your fault.
It's my fault. It's all my fault. Yeah, that's what it is.
You picked this place.
He's got me there. Yeah. Alright, party's over. Time to go back inside. Another night on the road. Oh, good. It's quiet again. Yay. Back to the room.